Ever wondered how to keep your garden productive in the chill of January? Winter gardening is more than just a frosty endeavour. It's a unique opportunity to harvest hardy winter crops and lay the groundwork for a fruitful spring. From leafy greens waiting to be picked to early season crops eager to spring to life, January is a bustling month on the gardening calendar. So let's dive into the world of winter gardening and make the most of this month. January is the perfect time to reap the fruits of your labour from the previous months. As the winter frost graces our gardens, a new wave of produce is ready to be harvested. Among these are leafy greens, root vegetables and winter squash, each offering a unique flavour to add to your winter meals. Leafy greens such as spinach and kale thrive in the cool winter months. When harvesting, remember to pick the outer mature leaves first, leaving the inner younger leaves to continue growing. This way you can enjoy a continuous harvest throughout the season. Root vegetables like carrots, parsnips and beets are also ready to be unearthed. These are best harvested after a good frost, which helps to sweeten their flavour. Use a garden fork to ease them out of the ground, handle them with care to avoid bruising, and store them in a cool, dark place. Winter squash, a hearty crop that laughs in the face of winter, is another great option. When harvesting, make sure the squash has a hard skin and the stem is dry and corky. These can be stored in a cool, dry place and will provide you with a delicious and nutritious food source well into the winter months. So don't miss out on these delicious and nutritious winter crops that you can harvest right now. The cool January air is not only a refreshing start to the new year, but also a rewarding time for gardeners. While you're enjoying your winter harvest, it's also time to start thinking about your spring garden. January provides an opportune time to plant early season crops, setting the stage for a productive spring season. Now, let's tap into the magic of indoor seed starting. This clever technique allows you to get a head start on your spring garden, nurturing your plants in a controlled environment before they brave the outdoors. It's a bit like giving your plants a head start in a race. Start by choosing the right seeds. Cool season crops like lettuce, peas and broccoli are perfect contenders for early planting. If you're feeling adventurous, why not try your hand at tomatoes and peppers too? They may need a little extra care, but they'll reward you with a vibrant early yield. Next, let's talk about the right soil. A light, well-draining seed starting mix is your best bet. It provides the perfect balance of air and moisture, promoting strong root development. Remember to keep your seedlings in a warm, well-lit area. As they grow, keep an eye on their watering needs. Overwatering can be as harmful as underwatering. As the weather starts to warm, you'll gradually introduce your plants to the outdoors, a process known as hardening off. This ensures they are tough enough to withstand the variable spring weather. With a bit of preparation now, you'll be rewarded with a bountiful spring harvest. No garden space? No problem. Let's talk about container gardening. Winter doesn't mean you have to hang up your gardening gloves. Quite the contrary, container gardening offers a wonderful opportunity to continue your green pursuits even in the coldest months. Choosing the right plants is crucial. Opt for hardy varieties that can withstand freezing temperatures. Think kale, winter lettuce or Swiss chard. Next, consider your potting mix. It should be well draining to prevent waterlogged roots, yet capable of retaining moisture. Fertilization is also key. A slow-release organic fertilizer works wonders in providing the necessary nutrients throughout the winter. Now let's touch on watering. It's essential to keep the soil evenly moist but never soggy. And finally, pest control. Regularly check your plants for signs of pests and diseases. Early detection is key to maintaining a healthy winter container garden. Remember, even in small spaces you can have a productive and enjoyable winter garden. So, there you have it, your guide to January gardening. We've explored the bounty of winter crops, ripe for the picking, and the early birds of spring that need a head start indoors. We've delved into container gardening, a fabulous option when the ground is too cold. January, as we've seen, is not a month to ignore in the gardening calendar, but a time to harvest, plant and prepare. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful gardening tips. Happy gardening